66.
66.
66.
Pronom possessif 1.
Possessive pronouns 1.
Possessive pronouns 1.
Je, ma, mon.
I, my.
I, my.
Je ne trouve pas ma clé.
I can't find my key.
I can't find my key.
Je ne trouve pas mon billet.
I can't find my ticket.
I can't find my ticket.
Tu, ta, ton.
You, your.
You, your.
As-tu trouvé ta clé?
Have you found your key?
Have you found your key?
As-tu trouvé ton billet?
Have you found your ticket?
Have you found your ticket?
Il, sa, son.
He, his.
He, his.
Sais-tu où est sa clé?
Do you know where his key is?
Do you know where his key is?
Sais-tu où est son billet?
Do you know where his ticket is?
Do you know where his ticket is?
Elle, sa, son.
She, her.
She, her.
Son argent a disparu.
Her money is gone.
Her money is gone.
Sa carte de crédit a aussi disparu.
And her credit card is also gone.
And her credit card is also gone.
Nous, notre.
We, our.
We, our.
Notre grand-père est malade.
Our grandfather is ill.
Our grandfather is ill.
Notre grand-mère est en bonne santé.
Our grandmother is healthy.
Our grandmother is healthy.
Vous, votre.
You, your.
You, your.
Les enfants, où est votre papa?
Children, where is your father?
Children, where is your father?
Les enfants, où est votre maman?
Children, where is your mother?
Children, where is your mother?